Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to check battery health in Windows 11 in a very simple way. What you need to do is just simply come over into your start icon, click on the right mouse button, then go for settings. After that, you will get an option called systems. You'll get an option called systems, click on it, and then here you will find the option called power. If you click on that, here you will get the information about your battery. If you are using laptop, then you will get the information over here. But if you didn't get the specific information, then you just simply come over into search option, search for CMD, click enter, and now what you need to do is just simply copy this command over here. I'm going to paste it over here. Don't worry, I will give you the command prompt into video description. From there you can copy it and paste it over here. After that, click enter. And now if you just close it and go for your file explorer, go for local C drive, and from here you will get your information over here into your Windows. So this is how you can check battery health in Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.